splitter got it done. We learned in the last video on the big rounds, you really got to take the wedge off. Just do single wedge to break it down, and then use the 4-way or the 6-way. We used exclusively the 4-way here. We found just was better for the size pieces that we had. But I counted it up. There's over 90 pieces of wood. There was a little bit of rot too, so we threw some off to the side. But over 90 pieces of wood out of just those 2 rounds, which I think is pretty awesome. The way that I sell wood, I've shared this before, is single stacks across the back of my truck. And I average between 70 and 90 pieces. And right now I'm charging $65 a stack. So that is over $65 worth of wood right there, which is pretty awesome for about, what was that, 15 minutes worth of work?
Yeah, pretty close to that.
Yeah, not too shabby. So check out Aaron's channel, Grizzly Wood Services. He'll have this splitter in action some more for sure. And then hopefully within a couple weeks, I'll have my own Wolfe Ridge splitter here and we can check it out, though mine is a little different than his. So we'll talk all about that on a future video. Any final words, Aaron?
I'm just enjoying the outdoors and playing with new toys.
All right. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Take it easy.